is up everybody? This video is a short one, just showing you some small but very important things done to my Concerto and some parts that I ordered, like the coilovers that fortunately will have to modify, but you'll see that in the future, so stay tuned. So it's currently
2 fucking a.m.
2 a.m. guys, and we are buying some coilovers.
Hi. So
We are buying some coilovers for the Concerto. I'm speaking quietly because my mother is asleep. But yeah.
the whole story behind it is a Portuguese YouTuber actually did some application for the Concertos on the EGs. You just need to change the top mount and cut the under iron and just solder the Concerto one back, and the back ones are just installing the front ones. You need to change the top mounts and then change the under like iron stud that goes into the bearing hub. So you just need to cut out the Concerto one, put on the coilovers, and that's it. And they're actually not that expensive, and they come fast. So yeah.
So yeah, basically I'm going to buy these ones and we're gonna have to
In this case, you are going to buy those ones and take the bullet for the team.
so basically I'm buying these ones and see if we can adapt them to fit on the concerts. And if it does, then he orders
Yeah, if it fits, I will
these
order
ones
them.
as well. Yeah, let's go. So, these ones are max being rods, if you're wondering. Yeah.
There. We are trying to open the door to get our car in and this out. The storage unit is going to the trash. This guy is trying to lockpick the fucking door.
Hi guys. These screws, as you can see, are off this wall, and there's, a concerning hole. But my idea is to put longer screws because these ones are pretty weak and small. See, so technically, if I put bigger screws, this will be no problem done. But yeah, let's see. Let's go. Probably wondering why the fuck are we drilling this keyhole, but basically we lost the key, and the other key that we have broke, so there's no way to even call a locksmith because it's broken inside and shit. So it's just easier if we drill it out, because we have to open this garage door in order to take that Fiat Punto out and put our parts Concerto car. So yeah, we have to open this damn garage. Okay guys, as you can see, this is pretty tough. I don't know if we can do this today, but yeah, let's see. I will do little things here on the concert. So let me plug this in. So I'll be taking off this what is it called in English? The ignition coils, I believe. So I will be taking these ignition coils out so I can measure them and purchase better ones to have a higher conductivity, and might as well replace the spark plugs. So I'll be replacing them as well with some NGK ones. I already took this off, and the air filter is kinda dirty, so I'll be replacing that as well. I'll just check the fluids. So coolant, let's see. Okay, we're good on coolant. Just replaced the oil recently, so there's no need to check that. The washer fluid is good as well. Let's check the brake fluid. I got this Adidas sleeve. It's the Russian style. Let's see. Yeah, very good. The color is not that black, so for now, no need to replace. That's all for here. I'll check the transmission fluid later. I will take the ignition coils out now to measure them. Okay, so they can be pretty tight sometimes. So the first one is 37, I believe. Yeah, 37 centimeters. Okay. 43 centimeters. Okay guys, that's it. Now, I have some issues here. I need to stitch this. As you can see, these seats are pretty worn and I have to stitch them. And on that side as well, I have to stitch the seats. But yeah, that's not an issue. Let's go. Okay. Guys, almost done. Okay, that's it. Now the other side. And boom, done. Now only this part is left. Okay guys, now this side. Okay guys, check it out. That's it. Okay guys, so let's purchase the parts that I was talking about. So let's see, filters. Chica. Let's see if they have. They don't. It's unavailable. But this is the shape of the filter. It's kind of weird. It's this box here, hollow because of the carburetors. Yeah. Let's see. Ufi filters. It's kind of an unknown brand, but it's very good. Oop, okay, it's in stock. Nice. Let's go ahead and order. See the ignition coils. If we have NGK, let's see. Yes, sir. 1 centimeter. Yeah, it's basically 1 centimeter above. That's fine. Let's go ahead and purchase that one. For the spark plugs, we have NGK as well. Here it is, and purchased. And yeah, here it is in the cart. The filter, ignition coils, and the spark plugs. That's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.